Here you can see water dripping out of the connection. And here you can see water splashing over the PPC. I don't know if you can see down there, this is all damaged. Literally, all the water's backtracking down the back of there. Exactly the same as down there. Probably when they've done the tarmacking, this has all been damaged along here, replaced. And you can see all the mortar has all come up there. The water's actually running down in there. You've got exactly the same here. This again is all damaged along there. All the way along here it's all damaged, you can see along there. You've got a lot of water being lost down at this joint here. You can see again it's all damaged here. If you just look down there you can see all the water. Got some debris, it's all running down there. So it's all getting to the foundations. Exactly the same here and here. You can see here, there's no leaf guard or nothing. You can actually just see it's actually running back down behind the eco drain there. But if we actually slow the water down, it's actually a lot worse because it's just running back there. So here you can actually see the water's coming back out from there in this broom. So again with this property, like previous ones I posted about, the cavity was flooded. The other part of the building is a 9-inch red brick wall where you've seen the downpipe coming down, and there's a kitchen there. The floor is absolutely soaking wet in the walls. You can see, you know, these are the obvious causes, but if you see these eco drains, get a hose pipe, have a little look. There's quite a few issues normally. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, please subscribe and I'll post a few more. Cheers!